Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom, there lived a young girl named Cinderella. She was very kind, gentle, and beautiful. Cinderella loved nature, animals, and helping people. She lived with her father, who was a kind man, her stepmother, and her two stepsisters. Her father loved her very much, but unfortunately, he became very sick and passed away. After his death, Cinderella had to live with her cruel stepmother and her stepsisters, who were selfish and mean. The stepmother treated Cinderella very badly. She made her do all the housework, clean the floors, wash the dishes, cook, and take care of everything in the house. The stepsisters were lazy and always laughed at Cinderella. They were rude and unkind. Cinderella was sad but never gave up. She stayed polite, always smiled, and dreamed of a better life, wishing she could go to a ball and meet someone who would love her for who she truly was. One day, the king announced a grand royal ball. The prince wanted to find a bride, and all young women in the kingdom were invited. Cinderella was very excited and wanted to go to the ball, but her stepmother and stepsisters laughed at her and said, "You cannot go. You are too dirty and you have nothing beautiful to wear." Cinderella felt very sad and went to the garden to cry. She wished she could go to the ball. Suddenly, her fairy godmother appeared. The fairy godmother was magical and kind. She said, "Don't cry, Cinderella. I will help you go to the ball." Then she waved her magic wand. Her magic was wonderful. The fairy godmother turned Cinderella's old, worn-out dress into a beautiful, sparkling gown. She created glass slippers for her feet. She transformed a pumpkin into a magical carriage and mice into horses. Even the little dog became a coachman. Everything was perfect. The fairy godmother told Cinderella, "You can go to the ball, but remember, you must return home before midnight. When the clock strikes 12, the magic will disappear." Cinderella went to the ball. Everyone was amazed by her beauty and grace. The prince saw her and fell in love immediately. He asked her to dance, and she agreed. They danced all night. Cinderella felt very happy. She forgot her sadness and enjoyed the beautiful evening with the prince. She laughed and talked with him, and everyone admired her. As the night went on, the clock began to strike 12. Cinderella remembered the fairy godmother's warning and ran away quickly. She ran down the stairs and, in her hurry, she lost one of her glass slippers. The prince picked it up and tried to find the owner. Cinderella ran home before anyone could see her, and when she got back, her stepmother and stepsisters did not notice her. The next day, the prince went from house to house to find the girl who fit the glass slipper. Many young women tried it, but it did not fit them. Finally, he arrived at Cinderella's house. The stepsisters tried the slipper, but it did not fit. Cinderella asked if she could try it. The stepsisters laughed, but when Cinderella put on the glass slipper, it fit perfectly. The prince recognized her immediately. Cinderella and the prince were married in a grand ceremony. Everyone celebrated their love and happiness. Cinderella forgave her stepsisters and stepmother. She remained kind, gentle, and humble. She and the prince lived happily ever after. The story teaches that kindness, patience, and a good heart always lead to happiness, and that dreams can come true if you never give up. Cinderella never gave up hope, stayed kind, and believed in herself. Her courage, goodness, and gentle nature helped her to find true love and happiness. The story is loved by people of all ages around the world, and shows that no matter how hard life may seem, kindness and patience are always rewarded.